Gulnaaz art and craft class. Today we're going to make this boring pencil into a brand new pencil. So all we need is some colorful paper, glue, scissors, and the best thing, some sparkly gems and some crayons to color and make everything rainbow and beautiful. So let's start making a butterfly. So which color should I make the butterfly? A yellow piece of color or a pink piece of color? Maybe you are right. I will choose with the pink piece of color. First we're going to fold it in half. And then it should be like this. And now we're going to outline our butterfly. Just do it beautifully. Okay, I'm gonna try. Oh my gosh! And then we're going to make another wing to make it beautifuler and big. Then it should be like this. Now we're going to cut it. It should be like this. Now we're going to cut it with the help of a scissor. Just be careful with your hands. Art and craft is my favorite. It's my favorite. Art and craft is my favorite. Art and craft is my favorite. Okay, so we have cut the butterfly wings. So look, but this actually looks like big. We need to make this smaller so this can be beautiful. Okay, so the help of scissor again. So let's see if this is beautiful. So let's see. Okay, this is fine. But now we're going to cut it again to make this beautiful. That's better. Now we're going to just use the help of pencil to make the body. It needs to be oval and flat. So we're going to make lines so it should be like a beautiful real butterfly. Now we're going to make the eyes and a beautiful smile. So what do you think? Oh yes, this is so beautiful and I love the color pink. So now we're going to color this and make it beautifuler with the help of crayons. Red, because red is the most beautiful color. I'm going to make dots for my cute little butterfly. Because this is a brand new butterfly pencil. So what do you think of my butterfly? This is kind of boring. Something is missing. Oh, we forgot to put some sparkly diamonds. This will look more beautifuler. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so sparkly. I'm gonna put looks beautiful. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. And then when we do this, it looks like a real butterfly. La 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 la. This is so shiny and beautiful. Now I'm going to use the help of the strip. And then, what will I do with this strip? I'm going to make this pencil even more fabulous with the help of the strip. And you know what? This looks my yellow curly hair. This is so funny. Okay, let's go back to working. Okay, where were we? Oh yes, we were gluing this strip with the help of glue. Okay, just put this. Come on, glue. Is it empty? Okay. Much better. Okay. So I put the glue onto the strip and I'm just going to smooth this. Okay. Just be careful. Not put it on the beautiful table. Then it will be dirty. And now we're going to put this stickiest strip to here. I hope this looks beautiful now. I hope I can do this. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. How do it look? It looks fantastic. Let me see. Oh my gosh, this is fantastic. It's so beautiful and so shiny. I love the wings. So, for more art and craft videos, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel. So, bye. Have a lovely